guys, so today I'm going to open up a package from Cactus and Ligne, I think is how you pronounce it, something along those lines. I apologize, both my air conditioning and my fridge have decided to start making noise, but since these are plants and they are perishable, I'm going to have to be okay with that noise. So from these guys, I purchased both a pink princess philodendron as well as a surprise pack of plants. So I don't actually know all the plants that I received except for one. So I'm excited. Oh, interesting. Let's see. Wonder if I'm gonna end up with a bunch of plants that I already have or not, but we'll have to find out. So everything clearly comes in plastic wrapped. If you spend over $75, shipping is free. I think I did get charged for shipping though because I purchased the pink princess as fast as I could, so I just got that and then ordered the other stuff afterwards because I really wanted to see what their store was like. So let's see what we got. This, I'm assuming, yeah. Here is the pink princess philodendron, the PPP. Oh, and their bags have like air vents in them too. I'm really hoping you guys can see all this. Let's try to go up maybe. So there is the pink princess philodendron. You can see a little bit of pink here and here. There's really not a ton though, so I'm hoping as it ages it does get a little more on there, as that is the point in getting this plant. Okay, let's see what else that we got. We got this, which I have zero clue what this is. I honestly don't know what this is, but I'm assuming possibly Wandering Jew of some... Oh, they don't put a sticker on it. That's great. Okay, don't know what this is. Seems to be okay. There's a little bit underneath here, but overall it looks good. Guess I'm quarantining these in my kitchen. Got this guy here. It has little flowers. In my post-op editing, I guess I'm going to be trying to find out what these are called and putting it in the video. There's this guy. Oh, there's a fungus knot in there. Okay, so there's some fungus knots that came along with these little guys. But maybe a lipstick plant? I don't know. I don't know what this is, but it's gonna get some pretty purple flowers. The saran wrap keeping the dirt in kind of screws up trying to get out the plant. There's that guy. I'm not a huge flowering type of person, but I guess I am now. There's this guy, which I'm going to assume flowers eventually. Don't know what it is. So like on the pink princess, there is a sticker, like right here, expressing what it is, but the rest don't have that. They're a decent sized plant. I'm also going to include what the prices were, because I think it was $22 for the pink princess, and then the rest of these were like $80 for 10. I'm assuming this is an ivy of some sort, is my guess. Do I know? Not a clue. Nope. Don't want to forget this little guy, which looks similar to the one with the pink flowers or purple flowers or whatever you want to call it on it. They didn't saran wrap this guy though. So there's that. Dead leaf. This guy. I'm hoping these are all like different varieties though. That's the only thing. This one has soft leaves. That's cool. I like that. It's like little lamb ears, but it's not a lamb's ear, so there's that. Spider plant, maybe? I don't know what this is. Sucks that I can't, like, express anything for these because I don't know what they are. Their saran wrap idea is okay, but it makes it hard to get them out. I have no clue. Just zero. Oh, yes, it is a spider plant. Okay. Once you see these little guys, then you're like, yeah, that's what that is. So that's just one giant spider plant. Two more. I think this one's a pothos, from what I can tell, or philodendron. I'm not very good at telling the difference between those two, but it does have more heart-shaped leaves, so it could be a heart-shaped philodendron. It's very much so what it could be. There's that one. That one's exciting. That one's definitely going to be like a trailing plant on that. And last but not least, oh, this is definitely an ivy. I'm not an ivy person at all. Almost dropped it. Yeah, I'll probably end up selling this guy because I am not a fan of ivy. It's just not for me. But it looks like it's very healthy as well. Like, everything looks mostly healthy. I don't notice any pests at this time, but I did buy a magnifying glass, so I can definitely check to see on all of them. And I can give you guys like an overview of all the plants over here. Okay, so these are all the plants. If you can tell me what any of these are, I'd be greatly appreciative of that. But that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys have a great weekend.